Walmart recently announced its entry into the popular fashion resale market through its online partnership with ThreadUp, the leading resale platform for fashion and accessories at mass market prices. Customer can shop at walmart.com/threadup to find nearly 750,000 pre-owned items across women's and children's clothing, accessories, footwear, and handbags. Siarams organized a textile Mahakumbh which entered the Guinness World Records for attracting the most viewers for a retail management YouTube live stream, with a peak viewership of 11,214 viewers. The online fair brought together over 50,000 Indian retailers to address the challenges faced by the industry during the COVID 19 crisis. Predicting a continued weakening demand for women's apparel, Kohl's Group recently removed 8 brands, including Juicy Couture, Pop Sugar, and Jennifer Lopez, from its stores. Chief Executive Officer Michelle Gass had said on March 3 that after assessing its entire brand offering, the company had decided to exit 8 women's brands over the coming year. India's yarn exports are estimated to have nosedived 80 to 90% in April and are not expected to revive in a hurry. Yarn exports to major buyers like China and Bangladesh have declined due to COVID-19 pandemic. Consequently, yarn exports are likely to slide 35 to 40% year on year during the ongoing fiscal 2020 to 21, according to CRISIL research. India has significantly ramped up its domestic production capacity of personal protective equipment, PPE, and N95 masks, and the requirements of the states and union territories are being sufficiently met. At present, the country is producing more than 3 lakh PPE and N95 masks per day, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said. The volume of world merchandise trade is likely to fall precipitously in the first half of 2020 as the COVID 19 pandemic disrupts the global economy. The WTO Goods Trade Barometer released this week said the index currently stands at 87.6, far below the baseline value of 100, suggesting a sharp contraction in world trade extended into the second quarter. E-commerce is playing a critical role in the fight against COVID-19, with online retailers experiencing a flood of orders from customers confined to their homes. According to data analytics company Global Data, whose report COVID-19 impact on e-commerce revealed COVID-19 will have a long-term positive effects on the e-commerce sector. Pakistan's power loom industry partially restored operations on May 18 due to unavailability of workforce, as almost half of the workers have shifted to their native places due to COVID-19 lockdown. The Faisalabad yarn market also reopened, but the power loom owners, cloth merchants, and brokers witnessed a shortage of certain types of products.